cold start. Oh boy, it's gonna really be a cold start too. Oh, it almost didn't crank up. Woo. Let's see if we got any lifters or anything clicking. It sounds pretty good. I'm gonna start the thing up in like, I don't know, 4 weeks, over a month. Yeah. All right. She sounds good. What do you think? I think it sounds pretty good. Yeah. You're going quiet. I'm gonna settle on down now. Settle on down, girl. Yeah. All right. Let's pull her out in the dungeon here. Pull her out of the dungeon. Get her in some sunlight. It's been a little while. Been a minute. I gotta push the start button after the remote start. Almost forgot. It's been a minute. Yeah, we're all set. My unit in R1 sounds good. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, the heated steering wheel came on. There you go. Feels good. She warm. She toasty already. Okay. Now I watched them mirrors over there. Yeah, we're good. A little tight. A little garage. All right. Right about there. Okay. Sorry guys, no cold revs. That's bad. Don't do cold revs. I see people doing cold revs on YouTube. What are y'all thinking? Don't do that. If you really want some valves and lifters and things to start clicking, go ahead and do it. Yep. What does the Gunner think? Gunner, what do you think? Yeah. All right. She got some barn dust on her. Oh well. All right. She sounds good. Sounds good. She looks good too. She's a mean, pretty girl. She's frostbite. Frostbite blue. That's what they call this, frostbite. I still need to get the windshield fixed. It's got a crack. Got a crack in it. And oh, by the way, let me show you what else I did. All you Mopar guys are just gonna hate me. You're not gonna hate me, you're just gonna be like, I can't believe you did that. But I have a dent. I have a dent. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's right there. Let me see if I can get the sun on it, right? You see that dent right there? Yeah, you can see it with the sun right in it. Can y'all believe that? And guess how I did it, guys? Guess how I put that dent in this car. Y'all won't believe this. You won't believe it. This is how I did it. So I keep it on a battery tender in the garage, and let me show you what I did. All right, so you see this DeWalt battery tender right here? Can y'all believe? I mean, literally, can you believe that it fell? So, all right, so you basically that hit the corner up here, the corner of it. Just proves you ever seen. I leave it sitting on top of the, y'all can't see. I leave it sitting on top of the refrigerator right here, or right there on top of the cabinet, and I just went to go plug it back in one day when I put the car back in, and it fell. Just proves you ever seen. Right here. Right there. And oh man, I don't know. I thought about getting it fixed. I mean, I could probably get a dent repair guy. I mean, yeah, y'all probably can't hear what I'm saying here by these mufflers. So, I don't know. I'll probably get a dent repair guy to fix it. I think it'll be, probably won't be very expensive. There's some dealerships around here. Well, the dealership where I got the car, they say just bring it back anytime. The guy comes in on Mondays. He can probably just, you know, put some glue on it, take one of those sticks, and just go like that right there. And I'll probably pull it up, but I don't know. Y'all let me know. Would y'all fix that dent? I mean, really? Would y'all fix the dent in it? I mean, it's literally nobody will know it's there unless, you know, I show you it's there. So I don't know. Y'all leave me some comments. Let me know if y'all would y'all even mess with fixing that dent. He's even worth it. All right, guys. I guess that's about all I got for right now. My YouTubing has been a little bit of slack lately. It's not been too much going on. Well, I've had a lot going on. I've been busy, so haven't had much time for YouTube. So, anywho, we're gonna take the cat out today for a little ride in this 35-degree weather. I won't have no traction, none at all. Y'all know how that goes. What's the dog doing? Huh? Gunner, where you going, buddy? All right. So anyway, I guess with that, it's Friday now. I need some shades. I got shades, I just don't have them on right now. All right. Guess I'll catch y'all later. Peace.